Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be tackling some laundry room mess. So it's been pretty messy. I've been letting it get piled up. I've got 2 baskets of clean clothes and then I've got some dirty clothes. So that's that. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let's just jump right into it. And welcome back to my channel. I definitely wanted to just hop on here and be like, hey, because I know that these pants aren't necessarily flattering on me, but I haven't worn them in a while, so I wanted to wear them. And then I figured if I didn't like them, that I'd pitch them. And I guess the decision would be to pitch them because I just don't think that they look flattering on my body. But I did wear them today, and I hope that this video finds you in a happy place. I hope that me throwing my laundry down my stairs brightened your day, because truthfully it did mine. I don't know, that's one thing that I have always felt is kind of like a cheat, is where I just kind of throw my clothes down my stairs, because I don't know, for me, in my brain, it makes me feel like I'm doing it easier. But at the same time, you gotta love those little spiders that we find. But I didn't want today's video to be the same as all the other ones, so I'm not going to talk as much, but I do think that this video will help you guys find the motivation that I feel like I have been struggling to find before now. So I hope that this inspires you. So who else does this? Am I the only one that separates like their kids' clothes and their towels and then like their clothes and stuff like that? I don't necessarily separate my lights and my darks and my colors and my blue jeans and all that. I just kind of watch what I put in there and see if that's something that I can mix together, because I'm not gonna put like a little thin tank top in there with a whole bunch of that's white in color or light colored, and then put it in there with a whole bunch of blue jeans. Like, I'm not gonna do that. But at the same time, how do you guys do your laundry? Because I wonder sometimes how people do their laundry, and sometimes I wonder if like the way I do my laundry is the way I'm supposed to do my laundry, but everybody does laundry different. So is there really a wrong way? But at the same time, I know some people would say that there is, but truthfully, I don't know. Like, sometimes I worry, but at the same time, I'll worry about every single thing, and I overthink every single thing. And so that's why I feel like that's the reason why I have anxiety. But you know what? We just keep on trucking, and we're gonna get it done. this video. I don't know why that I edited it this way with both of these clips in here like this. I don't know what I was thinking. But yes, I did put these clips in here twice, and we're just going to overlook it. But these are the products that I'm using for my laundry right now. I did want to show you guys that because I figured I may or may not have questions. And I figured I'd go ahead and answer it just in case I did. But at the same time, have y'all ever just went through like a phase where you just didn't want to do your laundry and you just like wore every single piece of clothing that you could before before you decided to do laundry? Well, that's kind of how this was. So that's why, and I feel like it's because I have a bunch of kids. But I mean, regardless of the size of your family, laundry can become a nightmare, I feel like. Am I the only one that feels this way about laundry? But laundry and dishes, I feel like, is my biggest downfall. Like, I don't care to wash and dry it, but usually it's just putting it away, girl. That's usually the thing that gets me, is putting it away.